everybody. Happy Monday. Whatever day it is. I swear. I'm actually kind of excited it's Monday because I get mail and stuff. So today I have my BoxyCharm box. I do get BoxyCharm Premium, BoxyLuxe, and the regular BoxyCharm. I can't decide if I'm going to keep all these. I'm kind of getting on product overload, but I want to start reviewing more products on my blog, so I may keep this up. So this was actually a really nice box for April. We got some neat products in here. I don't think I got, oh yeah, I was going to say, did I get a card? I did get a card in here. So this one is called Festival Vibes, which is interesting because that's what the premium was called too, but you get different stuff in premium and the regular box. So the premium box is $25, I think, and then you pay an additional $35 for premium, but then you get both boxes. It's very confusing. So anyway, I'm just going to dig into what I have here. So I've got the Benefit Cosmetics Pore Professional. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I do like the Benefit products. This is a $32 value, and I'm always looking for pore solutions. I do have larger pores, so I do use these products a lot, and Benefit has always been a good one. So basically, you know, you kind of rub this across your face as a primer. I'm putting it on my nose because I have blush on. And then it does conceal your pores pretty well. I actually do like this product, so that will be something that I utilize. Can't really tell on camera if it did anything good. Next up, we got the Zoeva eyeshadow palette. I've never heard of this brand before. Zoeva? I have no idea. It's all like sealed here. Let me grab this out of here. See. Oh, is it in a box? Boy, they got this thing wrapped up nicely. Is there a mirror in here? No mirror. Oh, so this is kind of pretty. This is definitely a brown shade palette. I do love brown eyeshadow though. So these are okay. They're kind of on the light side. Oh, there we go. Okay. I wasn't swatching good enough. That's actually really pretty. I love brown eyeshadow. When you have green eyes, purple and brown are definitely the best eyeshadows. So I do have a large collection of the browns and the purples. So that's not a bad palette. I did get the iconic London Illuminator. This is a $41 value. I have a lot of illuminators. I mean, I probably have too many of these. These are pretty though. I actually do think any age you can wear an illuminator. Oh wow, this one is actually really nice, you guys. Check this out. You can kind of see that. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. It's really illuminating off my hand. I love these. I do think they like brighten your face and make you look younger. So I'm all about having this. So that's actually pretty nice. Next up, we have the Lavish 5-piece Neon Eye Brush Collection. This is a $29.99 value. It always makes me laugh, the value on the brushes, because I'm like, you know what? I would never pay $29.99 for a set of brushes, no matter how good they are. That's why I get beauty boxes, because I get all my brushes. These are pretty, though. Check it out. Nice set of brushes there. I like this one for doing the eyeshadow under my eye. I never use eyeliner. I use eyeshadow under my eyes. It's a nice set of brushes, so I'm totally cool on that. And then the final thing we got was false eyelashes. These are a $31 value. I don't even know if I could do a video. I think the funniest thing that you could probably ever see me do, oh, this comes with the glue, is put on false eyelashes. I think I would probably glue my eyes shut or something of another hideous nature. They'd be stuck to my nose. I don't know why. I'm terrified to try and put on false eyelashes. I've never used them. Maybe that'll be a video. An entertainment video, watching a 50-year-old woman put eyelashes on. So anyway, I don't know. I have a whole collection of eyelashes, which I think is really funny. So anyway, that is BoxyCharm for April, the regular box. So we got like 60, 100, like $160 value. Not a bad value box. I like the Professional and I like the Illuminator. So this is all good. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.